New Nexus watches everybody. Most people stop noticing. Cameras turn. Doors lock. Routes change. The city calls it safety. I call it infrastructure with opinions. Tonight it had one about me. One camera followed me. Then another. Then every damn lens on Valence seemed to know where I was going before I did. Hex knew too. That's the irritating thing about that cat. He never explains himself. Just rings that damn bell. He led me to a KERN maintenance corridor. Restricted access. Level 3. Exactly the sort of place sensible people avoid. I've never been accused of that. I had several questions. KERN sent several answers. The men behind me weren't here to help. I hadn't touched anything. Riley had. She was inside KERN. Of course she was. Riley looked at me. I looked at Riley. Neither of us had a particularly useful idea. 3 ahead, more behind. Then the lights died. A maintenance lock released beside us, and out of the dark walked Hex. He looked at me once, then disappeared back inside. That's when I understood something. We weren't escaping. Something was moving us,